Okay, so hi, my name is Morgan, and today I'm gonna be unboxing a mystery box from Jeffree Star. And here it is, unopened, the tape, so I have no idea what's in here. So excited. I love Jeffree Star. Oh my gosh. I'm still opening. Oh my gosh. I don't know why this one. Okay. We're just gonna take everything out. Oh, okay. So I got a liquid frost, ice queen, ice queen. The mystery one, can't relate. And I also got a bullet ammo. So I got 2 Velour liquid lips and and I got a pop socket. Okay, and this is $45. So I'm going to, that's cool. I don't have one, so I'm going to open up the mystery shade. It is a very pretty pink. Oh. Okay. I've never done like a swatch before, but that's pretty. I will wear that. That is so pretty. Okay, now I also want to try the liquid frost. Ooh, look at that. That is pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna show the liquid frost. It's like a pink. Oh, it's ice queen. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that is really pretty. It's a pink one. I mean, I could wear that. The ammo bullet. It's a really pretty pink. I got a lot of pink. So that was the question mark, the ammo bullet, and the liquid frost. And then I have one more, and it's can't relate, which was a popular one, and it's really hard to see. I'm sorry. Oh, it's one of the glitter ones. I have a glitter one of these, Clout. Okay, it seems like it's gonna be lighter than the mystery one. This is the can't relate. Now I'm gonna swatch the ammo bullet. I have a booty nymph all over my hand. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, okay. So I got like a lot of pinks in it. So I like everything I got in this box. It's all usable. I got the liquid frost, these, and a pop socket, which he doesn't sell, so great. I don't have anything on my lips, and I'm going to try can't relate. Oh. Like, I've never bought new lipsticks because, like, I didn't really... Sounds like I tried it and like them. That's pretty. And it matches my makeup. And it feels nice and smooth. But I have some, so I love the formula. It's great. Okay, so I took the Can't Relate off, and I'm gonna try the mystery shade. So bright. It's very pinky. That's a pretty color. I'm just trying to not mess up because that's pretty. I like that. Okay, these are great. I really like them. A little bit of liquid frost on to see. You can see it shining. Oh. I mean, I think I can wear it. I don't think it's too pink. It looks really light, actually. But it's shining.